if you have any doubts, anything you really liked in the class, anything you didn't like in the class, anything you would like me to cover in the future, this is that moment. So yes,
I
Namita, I
think
know
you
you want
were
to say.
absolutely brilliant, Minakshi. I mean, just so well done. Really, really. I can't find any fault. Or rather, I mean, I'm already feeling like, okay, I do have, I was like in 1.5 hours, how can she teach, anything? But really, I feel you've given us so much knowledge about it. So,
Thank you so much. I definitely share the slides with you. The main thing is to keep in touch. So you said you already read
yes,
the news. So now read a little bit of financial news. A good tip here is maybe download the Economic Times app or the Money Control app on your phone. So what happens with that is they send notifications in the morning with like 5-6 news items. So even if you read the headlines, you're kind of clued into the sentiment of what's happening in the
market, right? Okay, yeah. Okay.
So Devina, how are you feeling today? You're muted.
Yeah, sorry. I think a little more informed. So since I started actually trading finally, I think a little more informed with what I should like be looking at and like the terms. And especially now when I read the newspaper, it'll just make a little more sense to me. So
okay, good. That's good. And Ranit, how are you feeling? Because you contacted me from a space where you said, I know nothing. Are you sure I should join this class?
I actually knew nothing, but then later on when you like explained it, I like was recalling that my family also does the trading, and I keep hearing these words that they keep talking to each other. So it was really good. And but the main fun will be when we start live trading.
Absolutely. And I feel that now maybe you're someone who can participate in that conversation.
I can, yeah.
And Nishi, how are you feeling today after doing this class?
Very excited to invest now.
Okay. And was it easy to follow? Were you able to?
It was made it very easy.
Okay, no one was asking me questions, so I was very worried. So I was only asking.
No, I think I asked you a lot of questions.